Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onesportsmedia.com. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, says it's probing yesterday's deadly shootout in HWT, in which 4 civilians were shot, 1 fatally. In a statement today, INDECOM says it's trying to determine who is responsible for the injuries by the civilians. It says the probe is in the early stages. INDECOM says the 2 off-duty officers were issued notices to be interviewed next week. Shortly after 5 Friday evening, 2 armed men, one wearing a hoodie, attacked and shot a man at the Park Plaza. The gunmen were challenged by 2 off-duty cops, which led to an exchange of gunfire. Pedestrians and shoppers had to run for cover. One of the gunmen was shot and a Glock pistol taken from him. Meanwhile, the identity of the civilian killed in yesterday's shooting incident has been released. He is 66-year-old Glenn Lennon, a business operator of an Allmantown address in Kingston 4. Mr. Lennon was reportedly sitting in his vehicle when he was struck by a bullet.